You can add pattern stamps with effects. Using the custom shape and the gradient, etc., I've created a quick design. What I can then do is I can add effects to it, layer and layer styles and drop shadow, etc. But I can also turn it into a smart object. So layer and smart objects convert to a smart object. Then I can go to select and load selection. So you've got a selection around that. What you can then do, go to filter and maybe filter gallery or blur, Gaussian blur. Click OK. And then you can go to edit and define pattern. Or go to filter and distort and wave and edit, define pattern. Or filter, pixelate, color halftone, set to 30 say, and then edit and define pattern. Once you've got those all stored in your patterns palette, what you can then do, simply go to your pattern stamp tool, go up to the patterns here and just select one of those and then simply apply it. And straight away you can see you've got your lovely effects added via the pattern stamp tool in Photoshop. I'm using CC 221, but the same in earlier versions as well. Hope you found this of interest. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Thank you much.